As you might know, I've been having quite a bit of problems with my 3D printer. But after so many failed prints, after filling the landfills, the neighbors' yards, and everywhere else, even the toilets and the sewer systems with failed prints, I was about ready to give up. But then I decided to start adjusting some settings in Cura, and after all that, I finally got it to work. So I've attached this new piece onto the back of my mini bosai musen long horn, and have started printing the reflex horn. I'm not sure exactly when this piece will be done, because it might at some point fail, and if it does, I'll try to fix it. But so far it's printing decently. But I guess it could be better because it's missing a part of the support material that is actually crucial for a part of it, so I'm going to have to stop the print and add that support material and then start the print over again. But hopefully that'll make it, work. And I'll be able to support the part that needed to be supported that for some reason didn't get support material in the slicer, or Cura in this case. During this test, I still have to use an MP3 player for the tone because because the coronavirus is still going around, so Hobbytown is probably closed right now, so the chances of me obtaining a 555 timer chip at this time are very unlikely. Anyway, here's the mini bosai musen playing edelweiss and doing the alert tone. This is the back part, just like I had 3D printed earlier. Here's the siren up close once again. Here's the amplifier after I dropped it. Actually, I dropped the MP3 player down there. And yeah, that's the mini bosai musen doing the edelweiss chime, along with a 3-minute alert. You heard, I don't know if you're sure if you heard earlier, but I started the chime a little bit too late because near the end of the chime, the Hickory Ridge 2001 wound up. This is a broken solar panel signing off.